The FIFA World Cup 2022 will be held in Qatar from November 20th to December 18th. And just like every year, FIFA is a source of pomp and pride for millions worldwide. It's going to be the 22nd edition of the World Football Championship. This one's special, not because we get to see Ronaldo and Messi battle heads again, but because, for the first time ever, a Middle Eastern country is going to be hosting it. Qatar is known for its extravagant architecture combined with world-class amenities and technology. And since Qatar is the host, big things are being expected from this year's World Cup. A total of 8 exuberant stadiums in different Qatari cities will host the 32 teams for 64 matches in total. All the stadiums are located within a 55-mile radius of Qatar's beautiful and picturesque capital Doha. Qatar only sometimes had so many stadiums. Except for the Khalifa Stadium, which has been operational since 1976. The other 7 stadiums have been constructed over the last 3 years, keeping the World Cup in mind. The stadiums are noteworthy because they all received a 5-star rating from the Global Sustainability Assessment System and have state-of-the-art climate control facilities to manage the temperature. Talk about getting to play football in style. Here's a list of the 8 stadiums you must look forward to. Lusail Iconic Stadium. Located in the city of Lusail, this stadium is Qatar's biggest tournament venue. With a capacity of 80,000, it's going to host 10 games, including the final match. It's constructed beautifully with a golden, reflective exterior that catches everyone's eyes from miles away. The stadium's architecture is inspired by the interplay of light and shadow that characterized the Fanar lantern. The structure is truly a marvel because a state-of-the-art material called polytetrafluoroethylene, PTFE, protects the stadium from warm wind, keeps out dust, and allows enough light for the pitch to grow, while providing shade to reduce the burden on the stadium's air conditioning. It's not just brilliant architecture, but also one that will go down in history textbooks. Its interior is intricately based on the Golden Age of Islam. It's not just beautiful to look at, but also beautifully thought out. Al Bayt Stadium. This stadium is based on a futuristic design with a retractable roof. Its name is inspired by the word Bayt al-Sha'ar, tents used by nomadic people in Qatar and the Gulf region. This stadium can host up to 60,000 people and will be on the field for 10 matches. The stadium is located in Al Khor and is estimated to be around as big as 30 football pitches. It has a red interior that perfectly complements the lush green grass. The exterior is a unique wave-like pattern. The stadium has been awarded sustainability certificates of green design, construction management, and efficiency. It's located about 50 kilometers away from Doha. Al Janoub Stadium. This stadium was previously known as Al Wakra Stadium. Its architecture is inspired by the sails of the traditional boats used by pearl divers in the region, weaving through the currents of the Persian Gulf. It's also a tribute to the seafaring past of Al Wakra. This also has a retractable roof and an innovative cooling system, making it a sustainable and environment-friendly construction. The stadium can host up to 40,000 people. It has a modular structure and will later donate 20,000 of its seats for overseas football development projects. The stadium's exterior is based on a curvilinear postmodernist and neo-futuristic design. It's located about 22 kilometers from Doha. The architect's main inspiration behind the stadium was to give the spectators a feeling of being on a ship. The beams that hold up the roof are bowed, resembling a ship's hull. It has an intricate pattern of lights running along its border, giving it an ethereal look at night. Ahmad bin Ali Stadium. This stadium is also known as the Al Rayyan Stadium and can hold a crowd of up to 40,000 people. It's set to host 6 of the matches. It's located in the city of Al Rayyan, and its architecture is also inspired by the city's history. It consists of patterns that characterize different aspects of the country. The importance of family, the beauty of the desert, the native flora and fauna, and local and international trade. A fifth shape, a shield, brings together all the others, representing the strength and unity that is particularly relevant to the city of Al Rayyan. The stadium is modular, and seats in the upper tier will be removed after the tournament to repurpose into sporting facilities in Qatar and overseas. Khalifa International Stadium. This stadium is also located in the city of Al Rayyan and can hold a capacity of up to 40,000. The stadium opened in 1976. The stadium underwent a renovation in 2005 before the 2006 Asian Games. A roof covers the western side of the stadium. The eastern side has a large arch, which was used as a platform to launch fireworks. It is the Qatar national football team's home stadium. The stadium was the first FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 venue to achieve Global Sustainability Assessment System (GSAS) certification. The original stadium was constructed at this site for the 1976 Gulf Cup, helping to further Qatar's importance as a global soccer presence. Education City Stadium. This stadium has a capacity of up to 40,000 and has very eye-catching architecture. The stadium's facade features triangles that form complex, diamond-like geometrical patterns that appear to change color with the sun's movement across the sky. The idea behind designing the stadium after a diamond was to represent quality, durability, and resilience, and something to be treasured for the memories it holds and its future value to the country. The stadium's modular upper tier will be removed, with the seats donated to a country that lacks sporting infrastructure. The stadium will become a sporting hub for the local community, including students and faculty. The stadium is the first Qatar 2022 tournament venue to achieve a 5-star design and build rating from the Global Sustainability Assessment System (GSAS). Education City Stadium will feature state-of-the-art cooling technology for the benefit of fans, players, and officials. Stadium 974. This stadium is the only place with the most spectacular view of the Doha skyline. It can host a crowd of 40,000 people and is located in Ras Al Muabbud. It is the only waterfront venue. It was constructed using standard certified shipping containers and modular steel elements, echoing the nearby port and the industrial history of the plot. It is a distinctive, boldly colorful, and modern piece of architecture. The stadium's clever modular design meant that fewer normal building materials were required than in traditional stadium development, which helped keep construction costs down. It's the first ever FIFA-compliant stadium that can be fully dismantled and repurposed post-event. This means it can be rebuilt with the same capacity in a different location or built in multiple smaller venues using the same materials. The stadium's bowl seating avoids the need for air conditioning as it is designed to be naturally ventilated. The stadium's water efficiency methods ensure it reduces water use by 40% compared to a conventional stadium development. Al Thumama Stadium. Al Thumama Stadium's dynamic and imaginative shape celebrates local culture and traditions just as much as it does a new era for stadium design. This particular venue also has a significance close to the hearts of locals and resonates across the region. It can hold a capacity of 40,000 people and has beautiful architecture. Its design reflects the gafiya, the traditional woven cap adorned by men and boys all across the Arab world. The gafiya forms a fundamental layer of the traditional clothing of the region. It is also a symbol of dignity and independence. It is supposed to host 6 matches for FIFA. The stadium's tournament capacity, 40,000, will be reduced to meet local needs and provide quality sporting infrastructure to developing nations. The remaining 20,000-seat arena will be used for football and other sporting events. Watching the heated and intense FIFA Cup will be even more beautiful when we witness them being played in the beautiful stadiums of Qatar. This is all about the stadiums in Qatar. Let us know your views in the comments below, and stay tuned with us for more such videos.